One of the most difficult things about being a soulful being, having a human experience, is when we run into the truth that life is a greater force than us. And we are here on life's terms, not our own terms, and we are asked to yield to it often. And I have found that when loss and struggle and hardship and difficulty comes, that a better question than why is this happening to me is asking ourselves, how can I take this and use it to transform myself and use it for my growth? How can I make something out of this? And that is why I created this wonderful two-part series that I'm very excited about called Creating Through Challenge and Change, to help equip those on the spiritual and personal healing path with real grounded perspectives and tools for how to entreat with the difficulties and struggles that come in our experience, and to step around any mindset traps where we blame ourselves or think that we are not being spiritual enough, or that we brought it on ourselves or done something wrong, and to empower ourselves to find perspective that allows us to find the creative courage to live more brave and well and true. So I want to warmly invite you to join me on May 13th and 20th if this speaks to you. We are going to be tapping into so much higher wisdom and higher guidance, along with psychological perspective and real grounding tools to help equip you in feeling like you have what you need to navigate life's storms and move forward on the path and catapult your soul to the growth that it so desires. Again, this is happening May 13th and 20th, and this is a two-part live online series called Creating Through Change and Challenge, and I hope to see you there.